Hello, I'm SEOP, and this is my first video with English. And not Korean. So please understand that my speech is not good because I'm Korean and my mother language is Korean. So I want to talk about English for me and then for channel SEOP and about plan for English use. When I started my channel, I thought about video concept or some kind of styles, and I decided just 3 rules for my video upload. First one is short video. Yeah, maybe some video is a little bit long, but most of my video is less than 10 minutes. And second one, daily upload. Yeah, I missed sometimes, but I almost did it. And then second one, minimal edit for video, because I need to upload daily, so I need minimal upload because I don't have enough time. So to these 3 conditions, I can't use English for video speech. So as you can see, I can speak English, but it's not good enough for video because it's hard to explain for some kind of principles or method or tools. And then, yeah, it's not easy for me. So I decided to use Korean for speech and then upload English subtitles for every single video. So as you can see, when you see my video with cell phones, when you see this display, you can see CC button over there. And then when you put the CC button, you can see English subtitles. So I uploaded every English subtitles, so you can see my video with subtitles. Yeah, that's what I did about my video. So please understand that my English is not good for video taking, and I'm practicing and then try again and again for English use, but it's not easy for me, and maybe someday or future I can do that, but it will take a little bit long time. And yeah, this is my plan for English use. And yeah, I know that English skill or English speech for video is very good benefit to grow up my channel. So yeah, maybe later I can do that. So please watch my video until then, and then enjoy my video with English subtitles. Yeah, I will come back with another video next time. Thank you.